Hello YouTube, Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Before I get into this, if you're not a subscriber, please click the subscribe button because it tells me 60% of you that watch my video have not subscribed to my channel. And I'm wondering why, what am I not doing, or how am I not getting it? So please click the subscribe button. Today we're going to talk about the SolaX. Well, we've been talking about it for a little bit, and let me give you a little bit of background. We decided to find a manufacturer that will support us 100% and will not be like prostitutes bouncing from one person to the other, or they not be like prostitutes serving any customer that comes to them. So SolaX has an approach that's similar to what Victron and Schneider does. They pick dedicated distribution centers, and the product goes through those dedicated distribution centers. They make sure you're properly trained, you know what you're talking about, you understand the product, and then you can represent them. So SolaX gave us an exclusive for West Africa and minus Ghana. So we cover Nigeria and every country except Ghana in West Africa. So it includes the French-speaking African countries and the English-speaking West African countries. So over the last few days, we've been having conversations, me and the technical team, and me trying to prove to them that I know much more than they do, and they're trying to prove to me that what they know applies to their product better than what I think. And one of the things they're pushing through is a major firmware upgrade. And unlike what we currently do with DEE, if it's a major upgrade that involves a lot of functionality, they push it through to every inverter. So one of the major upgrades they're doing is, one, we're going to have the ability to pass generators through the inverter. Right now you cannot do that. And by the end of next week you can do that, so they'll push that through. There are a bunch of other functionalities that they've added to the product, which I'm not going to discuss today. But it's just nice to know they're constantly making improvements based on feedback they get from us. And that feedback, they take it positively and they make changes that benefit us. One last one I'll mention is lead acid batteries. So generation 4 was not really designed for lead acid batteries. They were designed for lithium batteries. And they've come out with generation 4, and we're going to have an installation that involves us doing 3 15 kilowatt X3 G4, which is a 3-phase. And when you parallel it, there might be issues with lead acid batteries. And they recognize that they've been doing tests since the summer, and that will be part of the update they push through sometime next week or the week after next. So it's nice to know that you have a manufacturer that's really receptive to what you want to accomplish and make changes to meet what you're looking to do. So this is what it looks like. So there is the inverter. That's a 5 kilowatt inverter. Here's a mid box that has all the breakers, the CT all inside of it. Your battery disconnect on the side of it. Okay, and then below, right here, will be the batteries. We've been expecting these batteries for a while. I was told they're in Nigeria. And then we'll run tests. We'll test this stuff. We'll test the heck out of it. And then we'll start installing it for customers. I believe in testing the heck out of stuff before we put it for customers, because we don't want the customers to be guinea pigs. We always are the guinea pigs. So this is a form factor. The inverter, your mid box, and right below your batteries. So you can have 2 batteries, one right below one another. And they all slot in, as you could see, into that spot. Just like that. So it's one complete pretty looking system. You come in, you see it, it looks like a piece of furniture, a piece of art, and you appreciate it because you don't see all the wires and all the crap we normally see when we do installations. So once again, this is Dr. Sola talking to you about the SolaX. This is the X-1 G4 hybrid 5 kilowatt. And then that's our mid box that has all our breakers, PV disconnect, and has our CT inside. This is it. So if you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. I've been stuck at 2700 for quite a long time. And with those of you who watch and do not subscribe, hopefully you could push me past 3000.